Alright guys, this is the next building we're going to. This awesome Expressions Arts and Entertainment Centre. So let's go in and let's see what lifts we can find here. And we have an Ecodisc. Very interesting Ecodisc. And oh no, just reception there. So here is a little lift, I guess. It's, oh my god, it's Sigma fixtures. Here's the lift. Nice classic chime, I guess. So let's go to 2. It's yet another mystery button. So, Ecodisc was installed to 2003. Lightning, tiling, cab. Wait a minute. Let's take a look at level 1 quickly. That was a little slow. Yeah, down there there's an art centre there. Very interesting. Let's take a look at 1. What's on floor 1? Level 2's up centre. And what? Yeah, that's very interesting. A whole floor just for toilets. What the hell? They literally have a whole floor just for toilets. What do you think this is going to be? This isn't good, I think. So let's, let's go.